Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today I'm going to talk about the perfect content type that gets you more leads for your business. Often people ask me, what is the best content type? Should I post photos, or should I write text posts, or should I write articles? Should I publish videos? Should I do live streaming? What is the perfect content type? Which one will get me more leads for my business? Now the answer is, it really depends on your business. What is it you want to sell? Do you have something very simple that's very obvious to people? Are you selling ice cream? Everyone has already an understanding about ice cream. And so just by showing them a picture or a video, you don't have to show them much more. You might explain the taste, but there is like no education necessary for them to understand the concept of ice cream. So you can use that content type to get the message across quicker. If you have something that requires more explanation, you have to take the message and break it down into smaller chunks. You might mix this up, have small short text posts to give someone like a bite-sized portion to educate them over time. Maybe they need 7 of those posts to get the idea what you're selling and how this would be benefiting them. Or you might write one long article and tell them about this. The other part is you might not find everyone being online on the same day. If you're posting your article on Monday, maybe the person wasn't online on Monday, they only come online on Wednesday, so they might not have seen your article. It's another way how you can think about this. You might combine having like a long form article with short text posts. The shared text post might promote the article. You might share tidbits and small bite-sized chunk from the article and then linking back to the original article. You might use a different combination of content types to speak to different people with different cognitive preferences for different content types. Some people are very visually, they like to watch images and videos. Other people, they prefer reading and taking their time. You will often find that you have to combine. The audience is not just one type. There's all kinds of people in the audience with different preferences and different cognitive processing speeds for different content types. So by mixing up the different content types and by spreading them out based on how complicated or how simple your message is, you're getting the best possible results. Now, I know it sounds a little bit complicated, so if you want to learn more about this, leave me a comment and ask me your question about your specific industry, or reach out via the contact form in the description, and make sure that you subscribe for more video updates on LinkedIn marketing that actually works.